Hey guys, welcome back to Greentgarden. Today is vlog 2, guys. Number 2, we're gonna start clean up the greenhouse. I'm gonna show you guys how I clean up my greenhouse and how I'm gonna reuse most of my garden stuff so I do not have to buy and spend more money behind it. But it's very important, guys, you get your hand on some garden tools. Garden tools make the job easy. One of my favorite is the pruner. Love it, guys. I use this tool from the starting to the ending. Basically, guys, if you have a container right here with your soil, I'm going to show you right here an example. You got your container and you got some soil from last year. So this is very important, guys. Now, you do not want to throw away your soil. You keep your soil. What you could do, you get a big container and you dump your soil, all this soil inside of your container and just pull out all the big roots, pull out whatever is unnecessary and get that out of there. And then how you bring it back, guys, is to add some fertilizer. If you have some fertilizer, organic fertilizer, or you have homemade compost, you mix up some inside and you just, you really fluff it up together, mix it up really well together, and you could use it back for another plant. So it's not garbage. Do not throw away your soil, guys. I mean, it's good. Unless if you don't have the time, I mean, you could buy a couple bag of soil, but I'm not gonna buy so much of soil. Depends how much plant I'm gonna plant yet. So the first thing what I'm gonna do, guys, all these dry leaves, like let me show you guys right here. So right here, guys, all these dry leaves, what I'm gonna do, I have this big container. I have a bucket right here. I'm gonna fill up all the dry leaves, and basically when you have dead plant, you could either pull it out from the root, or what I normally do, I cut it all over here. So I get all the leaves and everything and some little stems with it, and then I toss it in the bucket. So the reason why I toss it in that bucket, then it's gonna go in my compost. So I'm gonna put all the dry leaves in my compost. Stuff like this. See that? Easy. You pull it out, you got the root, this is garbage. And then you pull out whatever dry leaf. You guys gotta really think about it, Say example, you use this container right here and you plant a pepper plant. So in that container you plant the pepper plant. You gotta remember one thing. The pepper plant is using all the fertilizer, all the nutrients, everything you got from the soil, to use all that, and then the water you're giving it to produce, a big plant with leaves, stems, and then produce the fruit, the veggies, which is like the peppers and stuff. So it uses up all the nutrients and everything in the soil. So basically you're left with a dead soil, most of it. So it's very important, guys, to add back compost and organic stuff to boosting it back. And what you could do is put a little bit of water inside too, to sit it down for a day or two, and that will boost up your soil to the max level, guys. Trust me. Another thing, you guys can see I have a bed on the bottom there. Basically, I'm gonna tell you guys, it was coming out to winter time, and I literally just brought in stuff, bringing in stuff and just putting them on top of there. But I'm gonna get back that bed. Same thing, guys, with the bed is easy. Just go through, pick out all the stuff and loosen up your soil and mix some compost between and just mix it up really well, and then water it and leave it for a day, guys. Everything settled down and mixed up really nice before start putting down your plants. And another thing, guys, too, what I'm going to tell you with your containers, always make sure you put like 5-6 holes on the bottom of your containers. If sometimes you forgot and you got some big containers, you put it down, you did not pop any holes in the bottom, you could always put some holes around the side. Get a little drill gun or something, and it's always good for you get excess water could run out, and air for the root, which makes a big difference, guys. So as you can see right here, I use these sticks. These green sticks comes up, and I got the clips, so it clips all the plants, hold them up really well. So guys, sometimes it's good to use gloves when you're dealing with these branches and stuff like that. So I'll cut them out all the way to the end. I do not pull out the root all the way to the bottom yet. You could pull out the root, it doesn't matter. And this guy gets stuck. So what I normally do, I'll just break out the leaves with the parts. I will just break out the leaves and the stems. I actually cut them out, get all the leaves. The dry leaves is good for your compost. Alright, guys, this is the progress so far. So basically, all I've been doing right now is just, cutting out all the sticks, leaves, And as you guys could see, I'll show you right here. I'll cut the sticks all the way to here, because it's so much. And then eventually another day I'm just gonna come and start, once I start pull this out, I'm gonna start go through the soil and start making the soil, mixing the soil up, and fill the container back. So when I'm ready to transplant, I don't have to do anything. So it's gonna be organized. I'm gonna bring a broom, and just after I organize and packed everything up, I'm gonna bring in a broom and just dust all the shelves out. And if you guys have, you could either use the broom, or if you have like a wet dry vacuum, outdoor vacuum or something like that, it works good too. So it's definitely coming around. But leaving the door, you could see, leaving the door open, it dropped to 67. So that's no good. But 67 is nice, but over 70 is always a good temperature to grow stuff in. So these pots, believe it or not, guys, one day I went into the dollar store and I saw a bunch of them, 99 cents. I bought all of they had. They had maybe 6 or so. Halloween bin, an extra one I found. Use it. So whatever we found, we use it, Alright, guys, so just wanted to do this vlog short. Didn't want to make it too long. So that's it for step 1 of cleaning up greenhouse. Basically, that's the way I do it. Basically, just cutting out all the recap, guys. Just cut out all the leaves. I compost all the stuff, and another day I'm gonna go through all the soil, getting all the roots out, and as I told you guys, adding compost, organic compost, or organic fertilizer, whatever you guys have. Or what you could do sometimes, guys, if you have a lot of extra soil, new soil, mix some of the soil into the container and mix it all up so it's all good. That's how so basically, once you do that, you're not gonna have any problem later on in the future. You're not gonna have much problem or any kind of problem later on in the future. So I do need some extra soil this year. Looking at the back of the greenhouse now, so you do want to have your bed high, guys, because after overtime planting and then watering, your soil do come down. So you do want to keep your soil really high above, at least as good. Alright, guys, so don't forget, this is Greentgarden. We're in Long Island, New York, guys. And if you're new to my channel, we're all about gardening. As we're going, I'm going to show you guys some awesome tips and tricks. And, I try to keep my garden very simple and easy, guys. Keep it simple and easy so everybody could understand. And anybody could do gardening. It's not hard. It's not, expensive to the max. And it's fun and it's easy. So guys, if you do want to learn about more garden stuff and you love garden stuff, do subscribe. It's 100% free. Click on the bell icon. Every time I upload a video, you guys will get it right away. So don't forget, guys, if any one of your neighbors and friends and family have question about anything about garden, don't forget to mention Greentgarden on youtube.com, guys. Check it out. And guys, another thing, I really always really appreciate the question, the comment, the feedback, anything, guys. Let me know. I do have to upgrade on a camera stick to get a better angle and view, so I'm working on that too. But today was a nice day. On to my next project now. My next project, I have behind of me, I have a swamp. All the bushes and trees are coming over the pool area, so I gotta go cut some of that stuff down. So because last year what I normally happen, I'll go clean the pool, and then I put the vacuum in, and everything will look so beautiful and nice. Then I go inside, and then I come back in 5 minutes. So wind comes, blow all the trees and the bushes, and everything goes right back into the pool. So this year I'm cutting everything down, what's in the way, so it'll be easy and nice. And one day coming up in one of these videos, I'll give you guys a tour around my backyard so you guys can see how it is. Alright, guys, so thank you guys again for watching Greentgarden. See you guys soon.